Welcome again to another Kikuyu lesson with I, Teacher Martin. Today we check on pronouns, verbs, and adverbs. So we'll check into few words, and we must start by understanding the meaning of each word. So the instruction are in English for you who is new to this language. So we have several verbs for today. The first one is oka, which means come. The second verb that we have today is vie, go. Vie, go. The third is rehe, bring. The fourth is he, give me. He, give me. He, give me. The fifth is tiga, stop. Tiga, stop. Then we go to some adverbs here. We have the first one, which is ha, here. Okay, ha, here. Ha, there. Ha, there. We have some pronouns. Oyo, this. Aya. Okay, sorry. Oyo, this. Aya, this. Olea, that. Alia, those. Eno, this. For animals and objects. Ishi, this. For animals and objects. Elea, that. Iria, those. Let's do some practices here with these several short sentences. Okahaha, that shows someone come here. Vie halia, go there. Oyo ne fafa, this is my dad. Aya ne arata akwa, these are my friends. Aya ne arata akwa, these are my friends. For instance, when you're introducing your friends. Eno ne bimo yakwa, this is my phone. Ishi ne bimo siakwa, these are my phones. Area ne gari, that is a car. Area ne gari, that is a car. Iria ne gari, those are cars. So thank you for watching today's video. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and see you in the next. Bye till next time.